Got 2 pounds of ground beef for your Philly cheesesteak pasta. Throw in a half a yellow onion that you chopped up. And also a chopped up green pepper. And you want to throw in a couple teaspoons of minced garlic. I like doing double the garlic in my recipe, so I put 4 teaspoons. Once you got all that in there together, just kind of get it mixed in, let it saute for just a minute or 2. All right, we got them sauteed pretty good in there. Now we're gonna move on to phase 2. We're gonna throw in 4 cups of beef broth, which is a whole container at the Walmart. Throw that in there. And we're gonna throw in some Worcestershire sauce. At your discretion. It's pretty powerful. I like a lot of flavors, so I'll do about that much. And then we'll throw in some salt. We already got some sodium in here. Don't have to overdo it with the salt, but about that much. And some pepper. There you go. Actually, a little more pepper. There we go. Get that nice and mixed on in there. All right, and then we're gonna slowly add in a cup of milk. Just kind of stir it in as you go on. 1 cup of milk. You're gonna bring this to a boil, and we're gonna do our next stop. All right, y'all, we got this puppy boiling. Once you got to a boil, put about 3 cups of a little macaroni in your boiling pot. That's 3/4 of this box. If you got a 16-ounce box, you do 3/4 of it. Get a gentle mix up in there. And then you're going to put the lid on it and put it on low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. And we'll come right back and see what's going on with it. All right, now we got that covered about 10 minutes. You see them elbow macaronis are doing pretty good. It's looking pretty tasty. Oh my goodness, look at that. And they ain't even done. So we shredded up about 8 ounces of mozzarella. Freshly shredded. This ain't no bag stuff. Throw it in there, get the cheese melted on in there. Get it mixed on in there. Ain't gonna be Philly cheesesteak pasta without the cheese. Well, that's starting to melt in there. We'll add the other cheese in there too. So we got some provolone that we ripped up into little pieces. Just spread it on around all up in there. Do a little bit at a time, so you don't have huge clumps of cheese just going on in there. And look at that cheesy. Well, let's serve it up. We'll get some of that liquid in there. What makes it good. Got that extra flavor. All right, y'all. Let's try it while it's hot. Now, if it was me, I'd throw some Louisiana hot sauce up in here too, but I'm out right now. So let's try it how it is. Look at that. Ooh, baby. We like that. Ain't trying to burn my mouth off. Hallelujah.